Hello everybody, my name is Abhineet Dhara and today I am going to prove the laws of light. So to do that, I have some experiments set up right here and I will show you that the laws of light actually work or is it a myth. Let's see. So to do this, what we need is we need a laser, and then this is a cardboard box. Actually, I am using this as my screen. This is just a cardboard box with a white paper taped on it, and this is a mirror. I'm going to use this mirror for the reflection of the light. So let me just set that up right here. Yes. Now my contraption is set for the experiment. So what we need to do is take the laser light and shine it onto the mirror. So what the first law states, that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal lie on the same plane. Now what is a plane? If you see my screen, this line is a x-axis and this line is a y-axis, and the line which is coming towards us is a z-axis. So now if it's clear what's a plane, let me shine the laser light on the mirror which I have placed below. If you can see, this is the incident ray which is going, and when I reflect the laser light, the line which is coming right here is the reflected ray. This is the incident ray and the line which is coming there is the reflected. Now to show this even better, I'm going to just turn off the light and I'm going to shine the laser again. If you can see right there, it's very clear that the incident ray is right here and the reflected ray is right here. So how does this prove that these are on the same plane? Now, as I told you, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis and this is the z-axis. In the reflection, none of the light are coming this way, but the reflected light is going here. So as this ray which is I am putting on the mirror. So this proves that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal are on the same plane. So now what I am going to do is I am going to prove the second law of light, which is that the incident ray angle is equal to the reflected ray angle. So if you can see, I have taken this same cardboard sheet and in which I had attached a white paper. I took that mirror and I attached glued a protractor onto the paper. Now what I did is I drew a line from this 60 degree and on the other side again a line from 60 degrees. Now this is going to be my incident ray and this will be the reflected ray as per the law. And this is our normal, which is the center of the incident ray and the reflected ray. So now let's see if it works. Now if I take my laser and I point it towards the 60 degrees angle and reflect the light. If you can see, the reflection of the light is going towards the next 60 degrees. If you can see right here, the light which is from the incident ray is reflecting and is going to the reflected ray, which is I already marked as the 60 degrees from that side. So by this experiment I can conclude that the angle of incidence ray is equal to the angle of the reflected ray.